low testosterone men, and they're easy to find in society if you walk down the street. They're cowards, and they really can't do what a male is supposed to do, and it's sad. And we've got to this point as a society because of processed foods, lack of sunlight, lack of exercise. A lot of people blame the whole talk track about how masculinity is toxic. I don't think that's actually an effector of lower testosterone. That's more of an attitude shift, but low testosterone creates a very bad society. I think the expression is weak men create tough times, and that's where we are in society. We need to reverse that. We need strong men to create good times. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective on all sorts of things. Today, I want to talk about the Secretary of War, Pete Hegseth, how he has been discussing how our military now, for men over 30, is going to be screened for testosterone deficiency. And if anyone is found to have testosterone deficiency, they're not forced to, but they can have a prescription for supplemental testosterone. This is fantastic for a number of reasons. One is we need a strong fighting force. Testosterone changes your mindset. A lot of people think it makes you aggressive. It doesn't make you aggressive. It just keeps you from being a coward. And that's huge because low testosterone men, and they're easy to find in society if you walk down the street, they're cowards, and they really can't do what a male is supposed to do, and it's sad. And we've got to this point as a society because of processed foods, lack of sunlight, lack of exercise. A lot of people blame the whole talk track about how masculinity is toxic. I don't think that's actually an effector of lower testosterone. That's more of an attitude shift, but low testosterone creates a very bad society. I think the expression is weak men create tough times, and that's where we are in society. We need to reverse that. We need strong men to create good times. That's why the Secretary of War has made this, and I'll put up on the screen here sort of the notification that went out to the military, and the press is picking up on this. And it's really important, but also it shows us that we don't need to worry about testosterone supplementation. Testosterone replacement therapy is what it's commonly called. We wouldn't be doing this if it were harmful. And I hear all the time usually people trolling me when I talk about testosterone replacement therapy. And keep in mind, when I say testosterone replacement therapy, I mean under the supervision of a medical doctor. I don't mean going and just getting some stuff and injecting it or doing it. What I'm talking about is through a physician. I encourage people to look into that and talk to medical professionals who provide that service and can examine your blood work. I even have my own company called oralonly.com. That company has a very aggressive type of testosterone that's fast acting. And I have other videos on that, and you guys should check those out. It's a superior approach to testosterone replacement therapy from a physiologic perspective. Now that we all know that testosterone it needs to be used correctly, but it's not harmful as a lot would have you believe. And it's also not the same as steroids. Now, it is a steroid, but when steroid users are studied, there was a study that came out recently where they wouldn't consider somebody on steroids unless they were over 1,000 milligrams a week, also called a gram. Well, testosterone replacement therapy is usually around 150 milligrams a week. That's a big difference, 150 to 1,000, huge difference. Not the same subject, not the same risk profile. Steroid cycles are, in my opinion, very unintelligent and not what you want. I think you can get everything that you should want, as in, great level of fitness, strength, and health. You should want health, and that's not what a steroid cycle is going to give you. But medically monitored testosterone replacement therapy, if you are low in testosterone, can be incredibly beneficial. Also remember, through a physician. I'm mentioning that over and over again because I really want to be crystal clear on that point. If you have any questions in the comments, this is a really important one, and I will make sure I'm in the comments answering your questions. See you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.